Are you tired of this? The 9 to 5 grind, the endless Zoom meetings, the feeling that you're building someone else's dream instead of your own? Maybe you're a virtual assistant, capped out on clients and hours in the day. Or maybe, like so many of us, you're just exhausted. You know you have more to offer, a passion you want to share, a skill you want to monetize. But every time you look into starting an online business, it's a mountain of complexity. Creating products, building websites, writing emails, becoming a marketing guru overnight, it's overwhelming. What if I told you there's a different way? A way to build a profitable online business that's not only done for you, but also lets you earn daily profits. Stay with me because I'm about to show you the exact plug-and-play system that's changing the game. It's called passion over profits. For years, the gurus have sold us the same dream with the same broken model. They tell you to find your niche, create a course, build a funnel, run some ads, and what happens? You spend months pouring your heart and soul into a product that nobody buys. You're left with a half-finished website and $0 to show for it. That's the old way. It's designed for you to fail. But what if the system was designed for you to win? What if you could skip the entire product creation process? What if the sales funnels, the email campaigns, even the sales calls were handled for you? This new way is built around the Passion Over Profit system, or POP. It's so different because it's built on a unique dual income model. First, you have direct digital product sales. POP comes with Master Resell Rights, or MRR. This is a license that lets you sell the course as your own and keep 100% of the profit. So when you make a $1,000 sale, the full $1,000 goes directly to your bank account instantly. You don't have to create the product, you just get to profit from it. But here's the real game changer. The second income stream is passive income from over 10 backend offers. Most programs keep all the money from selling tools and software to your customers. With POP, you earn those commissions, building a true passive income stream month after month. So, you might be wondering, is this really for me? This is for you if you're that corporate professional who's burned out and knows there has to be more to life. It's for you if you're a VA or freelancer who's hit an income ceiling and wants to scale without taking on more clients. And it's especially for you if you have ADHD and struggle with focus. This system provides the step-by-step structure you need to succeed without the overwhelm. But let me be clear, this is not for you if you're looking for a get-rich-quick lottery ticket or if you're not willing to follow a proven blueprint. Now, let's pull back the curtain. POP is a comprehensive program with over 200 videos covering everything from mindset to marketing. You get ready-made, high-converting funnel templates, 24/7 access to a success community, and lifetime updates to the course. We're talking deep dives into Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram marketing, plus an entire AI Reel system to create viral content on demand. There's even a masterclass on YouTube taught by seven-figure earner Jonathan Montoya himself. It's everything you need, all in one place. Now this is where it gets truly insane, because when you invest in POP, you also get our exclusive triple VIP bonus stack valued at over $46,000. First, you get lifetime mentorship and support, including group calls with a seven-figure team, and even access to a high-ticket sales team that can help close sales for you. Second, you get viral tools and automations, including an AI bot that handles sales objections and free access to premium software to auto-generate video scripts. And third, you get multiple resell-ready digital systems and a fast-track launch bonus that includes a roadmap to your first $10,000. We are literally giving you the keys to the kingdom. So you have a choice. You can keep doing what you've been doing, stuck in the same loop, getting the same results. Or you can make a change. You can get a proven, done-for-you system that gives you everything you need to succeed online, all based on the principle of passion over profits. So if you want to check out this program to see if it's the right fit for you, we have a free masterclass waiting for you inside our Freedom Franchise Blueprint. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below to get instant free access. Don't wait for your circumstances to change. Change them. Click the link and I'll see you in the masterclass.